Hey guys, welcome back to the Triple T, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download a video from its link, also known as the URL. And guys, in the previous video I showed you how to download a YouTube video from its link, and today I'll be showing you how to download any video from its link. So let's jump right into the video. So guys, the website we're going to use today is CatchTube. The link will be in the description below. So guys, first what you have to do is go to Google. This website is suitable for many social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, Quora, etc. So for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna type in tweet videos and then go to the video section. And then simply copy the link address and then paste it here, catch video. And then guys, as you guys can see, boom, see the thumbnail of this. As you guys can see, it's the same video. From here we can download it. To download it, click here. So guys, it's already downloaded into Chrome. So what you have to do is to take it to your desktop is double tap on your trackpad if you're using a MacBook, and then tap on save video as, and then as you guys can see, mpg/4 movie, that means a video. I'm just gonna save this video as BTS, save, and then show in Finder. As you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys as you guys can see, it's the same video I just downloaded, as you guys can see from here. So guys, I think this video helped you a lot in downloading a video from its link, downloading any video from its link. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a like in this video, and comment down below what should be my next video. And guys, please subscribe, I need them. And guys, maybe you're subscribers to my YouTube channel, maybe you have seen difference in my channel page, as I changed the thumbnail color to blue from red. As you guys know, I typed in the description in the Red Edition tutorials playlist, so check it out. So guys, the reason I changed the color is that I decided to change the color for every 10 videos, like the 1 to 10 videos are in red color thumbnails, and the 10 to 20 videos are in blue color thumbnail, and again 20 to 30 videos are red color thumbnail, and 30 to 40 videos are blue thumbnails. It goes on like that. So guys, if you need to change the color of the thumbnail, please comment down below and I'll do it for you. Maybe you will be mentioned in one of my thumbnails.